name is Sunasi Pontanzi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sunasi Pon, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey baby, welcome back once again. Um, so I'm here for a very quick live update because I've been gone for way too long now. And the reason why I've been gone is because I had a lot of schoolwork to do. Yeah, I had a lot of schoolwork to do, and I feel like I still have a lot to do. And I've also been so overwhelmed, you know. Um, Matric is not easy. You guys know that I'm in Matric, right? I am in Matric, for those of you who don't know, class of 2025. Yes. So Matric is not easy and it has taken a toll on me because I to a point where I got sick and I had to go to the doctor, and the doctor told me that the reason why I'm sick is because I'm constantly stressed, you know. I also don't take breaks. My body needs a break, my mind needs a break, um, and I'm overwhelmed, which was true because I was, and I never took breaks. I was always at school, always doing my schoolwork, always studying, always stressing about school because I feel like it's very hard to not stress when you are in matric. It comes with a lot of work and there's a lot to do, you know. So it stressed me a lot, and to a point where I had to go see a doctor. To a point where I got sick and the doctor told me all of that, okay? But I am currently better. I'm doing good and I'm back, which is cute, okay? Which is nice. I'm back. But now I'm back because I understand the importance of taking a break. I understand the importance of doing what I love, and taking time, man, to do what I love and forget about school. You know, now I understand that, and I understand that I need to rest. My mind needs to rest, and I also need to ask for help when I need help. I never used to ask for help, hey, and I would struggle alone. So now I understand the importance of doing all of that, and I'm back like I never left. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this short video. It is a starter. It is a starter. You are gonna receive longer vlogs moving forward. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications so that you get notified next time and every time I drop. Love you guys so much, and bye.